Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy and sell on DEXScreener using the most updated method. Step 1. Go to DEXScreener.com and search for the token that you want to trade. You can filter by chain like BSC, Ethereum, or Arbitrum, and look for volume, liquidity, and price trends. Step 2. Once you find your token, click on it and you will see the live charts and transaction history. Under the DEX section, click the trade icon and it will redirect you to the appropriate DEX, such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Step 3. Connect your wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabi, and make sure that your wallet is funded with the required chain's native token for gas fees. Step 4. To buy, enter the amount of base token like USDT or BNB that you want to swap and approve the transaction, and then confirm it on your wallet. Step 5. To sell, just reverse the process. Choose your token, set the amount, and swap it back to your base currency. Watch the slippage settings to avoid big price swings. And for a bonus tip, Dex Screener also allows you to track whale movements and live trade history. You can use this to plan better entries and exits. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.